And there was that almost quirky fact you mentioned earlier, or that I read about. Sometimes when you think you're hungry.
Ah, yes. You might actually just be thirsty.
How does that work? Why the confusion?
It happens in the hypothalamus, a part of your brain that regulates both hunger and thirst. The signals can sometimes get crossed, especially when you're mildly dehydrated. Your body sends out a signal for need something, and your brain might interpret it as hunger when it's actually thirst.
Huh. So reaching for water first before a snack might be a good idea sometimes.
It's a really good strategy, actually. Wait 15 minutes after drinking water. If you still feel hungry, then eat. But often, the water is all you needed. Prevents unnecessary snacking, too.
Okay, good practical tip there. So on that energy note, let's talk fatigue. So many people reach for coffee, energy drinks, whatever, when they hit that afternoon slump.
The caffeine fix.
Right. But there's this idea, and it sounds almost counterintuitive, that water might actually be more powerful for sustained energy than coffee. Why is that? What's the link between water and feeling tired?
It might sound counterintuitive, but physiologically, it makes perfect sense. When you're dehydrated, one of the first things that happens is your blood volume decreases. There's just less fluid overall.
Okay.
So your heart has to work harder. It has to pump faster and more forcefully to get the same amount of oxygen and nutrients delivered to your muscles and brain through that slightly thicker, lower volume blood.
So your heart is literally under more strain.
Exactly. And that extra effort, that translates directly into feelings of fatigue, sluggishness, that lack of energy. Your body is working inefficiently. Coffee or caffeine gives you that temporary artificial jolt, right? It stimulates your nervous system.
Yeah, feels like energy.
But it doesn't fix the underlying problem of low blood volume or inefficient circulation. In fact, sometimes caffeine can be slightly dehydrating itself. A glass of water, on the other hand, directly addresses the issue. It helps restore blood volume, makes it easier for your heart to do its job, allows for more efficient oxygen delivery. So often that simple glass of water provides a much more real, sustainable energy boost than the caffeine hit, because it's fixing the root physiological cause of the fatigue.
That's a massive takeaway. So many people chasing energy boosts when the simplest thing.
It's right there in the tap or bottle.
Often, yes.